In today's fast paced financial landscape, managing client relationships effectively is crucial for success. Redtail CRM is a specialized tool designed with financial professionals in mind, providing an all in one platform to streamline operations, enhance client interactions, and maintain regulatory compliance. Trusted by thousands of advisors worldwide, this CRM stands out for its user-friendly design, advanced automation capabilities, and robust integration with popular financial tools. This tutorial introduces you to Redtail CRM's key features and explains how it can transform your client management processes. Whether you're new to CRM software or transitioning from a different platform, Redtail offers an intuitive interface and comprehensive tools tailored to meet the demands of financial services professionals. From simplifying task management to improving client communication, this guide will help you unlock the full potential of Redtail CRM. So, for its key features and benefits, first is its comprehensive client management. Redtail CRM allows users to store and manage all client data in one centralized location. This includes detailed client profiles, financial plans, communication logs, and document storage. The system ensures that every piece of relevant information is easily accessible at any time. This enhances client relationships by having quick, organized access to critical data, ensuring personalized service. Another key feature is the task and activity tracking. Managing tasks and activities becomes seamless with Redtail. You can log calls, assign tasks, and schedule follow ups, all while receiving automated reminders for critical deadlines. This boosts productivity by keeping track of every interaction and task, ensuring no opportunity is missed. Another key feature is the workflow automation. Redtail CRM's automation features simplify repetitive tasks like email follow ups, client onboarding, and progress tracking. Customizable workflows allow you to tailor the automation to your firm's needs. This saves time and reduces errors, allowing you to focus on strategic initiatives instead of mundane tasks. Another key feature is the integration with financial tools. The platform integrates seamlessly with popular software such as Morningstar, Riskalyze, and financial planning tools. It also works with email marketing software and document management systems. This creates a unified ecosystem for your business, eliminating the need for manual data transfers and enhancing efficiency. Another key feature is the advanced reporting and analytics. Redtail CRM provides robust reporting features, allowing you to analyze client data, track business performance, and generate insights into your operations. These tools help identify trends and opportunities for growth. This makes data driven decisions that can improve client service and increase profitability. Another key feature is the compliance and security. With features like audit trails, secure data storage, and compliance tracking, Redtail CRM helps financial advisors stay aligned with industry regulations. This protects sensitive client information, and maintain regulatory compliance, building trust with your clients. Another key feature is the mobile accessibility. The mobile app ensures that financial advisors can stay connected to their clients and business while on the move. Tasks, notes, and client profiles can be accessed and instantly. This maintains productivity and responsiveness even when you're out of the office. So, why is Redtail CRM a great choice? Redtail CRM has carved a niche as a leading tool for financial professionals. Its intuitive design ensures that even beginners can quickly get up to speed, while its depth of features caters to more advanced users. Unlike generic CRMs, Redtail is tailored specifically to the financial services industry, offering specialized tools to address the unique challenges faced by advisors. Its seamless integration with essential financial tools and its focus on compliance make it an invaluable resource for firms aiming to simplify their workflows while remaining secure and compliant. Redtail CRM's affordability and scalability also make it accessible to firms of all sizes, from solo advisors to larger teams. Its ability to centralize data, automate tasks, and generate actionable insights makes it a must have for financial professionals looking to optimize their practice. Basically, Redtail CRM is more than just a client relationship management tool. It's a comprehensive platform designed to support financial advisors in delivering exceptional service and growing their practices. With features like centralized client data, robust automation, seamless integrations, and advanced analytics, Redtail empowers users to stay organized, efficient, and client focused. So, whether you're a solo advisor or part of a larger firm, adopting Redtail CRM can transform how you manage your operations, enabling you to focus more on building relationships and less on administrative tasks. So, by utilizing its full range of features and regularly maintaining your data, you can ensure that your practice stays ahead of the competition in an ever evolving financial landscape. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.